Hello, kindergartners. We're going to be on lesson 14-3. It's on page 817. All right, so Marta is wanting to put some things in her backpack. She has this big writer's journal, and she has this pencil. She wants to put the lighter object, the one that doesn't weigh as much, into her backpack. Which one of these are heavier? So if you grabbed your writer's journal and you were holding it, and you were holding your pencil, which one is heavy? This writer's journal is a lot heavier. It's pushing down harder on my hand than my pencil. My pencil is super easy to pick up. It's really light. It doesn't weigh that much. While this writer's journal is a lot heavier. So Marta would probably want to put her pencil in her backpack because the book is a lot heavier than the pencil. All right, so we're going to be talking today about weight and how some things are a lot heavier than other things. Let's practice it. All right, so for number 1, we're going to draw a circle around the heavier object and mark an X on the lighter object. So let's look at the TV and the DVD. Which one is heavier? A TV is a lot heavier than a DVD. The DVD is very light. All right, now let's look at this. We have a book and we have some paper, a magazine it looks like. Which one is heavier, this big book or this magazine? A magazine is a lot lighter. It only has a few pages in there, while a book has a lot of pages. So let's circle the book and cross off the magazine. All right, let's look here. We have a phone and a computer. Which one is heavier? The computer is heavier. Which one is lighter? The phone. The phone is a lot lighter than the computer. Ooh, let's look at these crayons. We have a whole crayon box and one crayon. Which one is heavier? The crayon box. Which one is lighter? The crayon. Let's keep practicing that. Let's look at these pictures. We have a piece of toast and a different kind of piece of toast. Is there one that's going to be heavier than the other? I feel like if I had 2 pieces of bread, they're going to be about the same amount of weight. There's not going to be one that's a little bit heavier than the other. So let's underline it because I think they will be about the same. Now let's look at a backpack and a piece of paper. Which one's heavier? The backpack is heavier and the paper is lighter. Now we have an orange and a cherry. Which one is heavier? An orange is a lot heavier. Let's circle that one. And the cherry is a lot lighter. Ooh, we have 2 different kinds of clocks. We have this big wooden clock and this smaller alarm clock. Which one is heavier? Well, this big wooden one looks a lot bigger than this one. So this one probably will be a lot heavier than the alarm clock. Let's look at number 9. We have a whole bunch of bananas and one banana. Which one is heavier? A lot of bananas are going to be a lot heavier than just one banana. Now let's look at number 10. We have a bracelet with all these little gems. And then we have a ring. Which one would be heavier? This bracelet would be heavier. And then this ring would be lighter. All right, now I want you to practice this on this page. Number 11, which one's heavier and which one's lighter? Circle heavier one, cross off the lighter one. Now this one, these two people. Circle the heavier person and circle the lighter person. Or underline it if it's the same. Number 13, circle the heavier one, cross off the lighter one, underline it if it's the same. Number 14, circle the heavier one, X off the lighter one, or underline it if it's the same. Number 15, I want you to draw something that has the same weight as a red crayon. So what's something that you could draw that is the same weight as a red crayon? And then for this one, I want you to draw something that's heavier on this side and lighter on this side. So something that's heavy on this side and something that's light on this side. All right, this is the only page that you need to post onto Seesaw, and I'll see your work there.